I am outside and it is freezing today, and we had a nice big ice storm, and check out all of the icicles along my hoop house. This is crazy. There's literally so many icicles. And listen, oh, that sounds painful. I can't even get in my hoop houses today because there's a frozen solid piece of ice on here. Hopefully it melts soon so I can check on my babies. That is all ice. That's crazy. So since getting in here is quite impossible, I have definitely tried, and I don't really want to hurt the plastic. I don't know if it would, but I don't want to try it out. So I'm just gonna sneak the video camera underneath here because I can kind of lift it up. So you guys will be able to see in there. I won't be able to from out here, but I'll be able to watch the video. All right, here we go. Oh, I cannot tell at all what that looks like right now, but I'm hoping for some good news.